Tonight, we dive into the financial powerhouse that is OnlyFans. In just a few short years, this platform has transformed from a niche subscription service into a global phenomenon, reshaping how creators and fans interact, and how money flows in the digital age. The numbers we're about to explore aren't just impressive, they're rewriting the rules of online business and content creation. The platform just released its 2024 numbers, $7.2 billion processed in subscriber payments. That's a staggering figure, and it's not just a one-off spike. It represents a steady year-over-year climb that's outpacing many traditional entertainment and tech companies. This isn't just about big numbers, it's about a fundamental change in how value is created and shared online. That's not just a headline, it's a sign of a massive shift in the creator economy. More people than ever are turning to platforms like OnlyFans to build careers, connect with audiences, and monetize their passions. The ripple effects are being felt across industries, from entertainment to tech, as creators gain more control over their work and their earnings. Fans are paying creators directly, bypassing traditional advertising models. This direct support means creators can focus on producing content their audiences truly want, without relying on brand deals or ad revenue. It's a win-win. Fans get more authentic, personalized content, and creators get a more reliable income stream. OnlyFans has mastered this direct-to-consumer approach, growing 9% over last year. That kind of growth is rare in today's competitive digital landscape, and it speaks to the platform's ability to adapt, innovate, and meet the needs of both creators and fans. The company's leadership is already looking ahead, planning for even more expansion in the coming years. This isn't a niche service anymore. It's a global player with a robust, resilient business model. OnlyFans now operates in dozens of countries, serving millions of users and processing billions in transactions. Its influence stretches far beyond its original audience, impacting everything from global finance to pop culture. The $7.2 billion in fan payments is the engine behind the company's profits and the creators' incomes. Every dollar represents a direct connection between a fan and a creator, fueling not just individual success stories but a whole new economic ecosystem. This money is changing lives, funding creative projects, and inspiring a new generation of entrepreneurs. It's a clear indicator of OnlyFans' cultural and economic impact. The platform is now a regular topic in boardrooms, newsrooms, and social media feeds around the world. Its success is sparking debates about the future of work, the power of digital communities, and the evolving definition of influence in the 21st century. This is more than adult entertainment. It's about the evolution of media, commerce, and personal branding. OnlyFans has become a launchpad for creators of all kinds, from fitness coaches to musicians, chefs to comedians. It's redefining what it means to be a creator in the digital era, and opening doors for people who might never have found an audience before. The numbers set the stage for a bigger conversation about the platform's future. As OnlyFans continues to grow, questions arise about regulation, competition, and the sustainability of its business model. Industry leaders are watching closely, eager to see how this digital juggernaut will shape the next chapter of the online economy. Let's see what these figures really mean for the digital landscape, and what they can tell us about where the world of online content, commerce, and community is headed next. Let's break down the numbers and see what's really driving OnlyFans' financial engine. When you look at the company's books, the story is one of impressive growth, smart management, and a business model that's built for the digital era. In 2024, OnlyFans reported a net revenue of $1.4 billion, up from $1.3 billion the previous year. That's not just a small bump, it's a clear sign of momentum, especially in a market that's becoming more competitive every year. After paying out billions to its creators, what's left is the company's true earnings, its net revenue. This is the money OnlyFans keeps after rewarding the people who make the platform what it is. Net profit after tax reached $520 million, up from $485 million in 2023. That's a significant jump, showing that the company isn't just growing its revenue but also managing to keep more of it as profit. This level of profitability is rare, especially for a tech company that operates with a relatively lean team. Most startups burn through cash for years before seeing numbers like these. The platform's efficiency is a big part of the story. With streamlined operations and smart use of technology, a large chunk of revenue is converted directly into profit, rather than being lost to overhead or inefficiency. Growth isn't just happening at the top line. OnlyFans is seeing consistent improvement across all key metrics. User engagement, creator payouts, and platform activity are all on the rise. For investors and analysts, these results are a strong signal. They see a business that's not only stable but also positioned for long-term success, with a model that can weather market changes. The OnlyFans model is more than just viable, it's exceptionally lucrative. Few digital platforms can claim this level of sustained profitability and growth. Every key metric is trending up, from revenue and profit to user numbers and engagement. This kind of momentum is what most companies dream of. The company's financial health is robust, giving it the resources and confidence to invest in new features, expand its reach, and fuel even bigger ambitions for the future. OnlyFans is quickly becoming a case study in how to build a powerful economic engine in the digital age, one that rewards creators, satisfies investors, and keeps growing year after year. The numbers speak for themselves, painting a picture of a company that's not just surviving but thriving at the very heart of the digital economy. When you think about who truly benefits from the explosive growth and global success of OnlyFans, one name stands above all others: Leonid Radvinsky. While millions of creators and users interact on the platform every day, it's Radvinsky who sits at the very top, reaping the lion's share of the rewards. He is the sole owner of OnlyFans. There are no public shareholders to answer to, no boardroom battles or corporate infighting. The company is entirely his, giving him complete control over its direction and, more importantly, its profits. In 2024 alone, Radvinsky paid himself a staggering $701 million in dividends. That's not just a big payday, it's a sum that dwarfs the annual compensation of most CEOs and founders in the tech world. To put it in perspective, this payout is larger than the net profits of many Fortune 500 companies, and it's all going to a single individual. Since 2021, Radvinsky has taken home about $1.8 billion in dividends. That's an almost unimaginable amount of personal wealth accumulated in just a few short years. OnlyFans' global reach and rapid growth have funneled enormous sums directly to him, making his financial story one of the most remarkable in recent tech history. Despite this, Radvinsky is famously private. He keeps a low profile, rarely giving interviews or making public appearances. His name is barely known outside tech and business circles, even as his fortune grows. His background is rooted in internet entrepreneurship. Before OnlyFans, he was already a successful figure in the online world. But his acquisition of the platform was a masterstroke that changed everything. The company's private structure means that every dollar of profit flows directly to him, with no outside investors to share the spoils. There's no dilution of ownership, no venture capital firms, and no public market pressures, just one man at the center reaping the rewards of a booming digital empire. This extraordinary concentration of wealth is a defining part of the OnlyFans story, and it's what sets the company apart from so many others in the tech industry. It's a powerful example of what private ownership can mean in the digital age: total control and total reward. While thousands of creators earn their living on the platform, the ultimate financial windfall goes to Radvinsky, who has become one of the wealthiest tech owners of his generation. His story is a testament to the immense fortunes that can be built in the digital economy, especially when one person holds all the cards. The platform's architecture is designed so that profits flow upward, channeling immense wealth to a single individual at the top. In today's digital economy, OnlyFans and Leonid Radvinsky stand out as a unique case, one where the vision, risk, and reward are all concentrated in the hands of a single, remarkably private owner. OnlyFans' business model is simple and effective. Creators post content behind a paywall, fans pay monthly subscriptions or tips. OnlyFans takes a 20% commission, creators keep 80%. This split is more generous than most platforms, attracting millions of creators. The model is direct: no ads, no selling user data. OnlyFans only profits when creators do, aligning their interests. The platform invests in tools to help creators grow, fueling mutual success. No complex algorithms, no massive ad sales teams. The clarity and transparency build trust with creators. It's a lean, efficient operation focused on paid content subscriptions. This approach has proven incredibly lucrative. The result? A thriving ecosystem where creators and the company both win. OnlyFans' growth is powered by its expanding user base. In 2024, creators grew by 13%, reaching over 4.6 million. Fan accounts surged 24% to 377.4 million. More creators attract more fans, and vice versa, a powerful network effect. This cycle drives revenue and keeps the platform vibrant. The user base is diversifying. Fitness trainers, musicians, chefs, and more are joining. OnlyFans is moving beyond its adult content roots, broadening its appeal. The platform's ecosystem is dynamic, with supply and demand growing together. It's becoming a mainstream destination for content monetization. OnlyFans is pushing beyond adult content, aiming for mainstream growth. CEO Keely Blair is leading a strategic shift into sports, music, comedy, and education. Athletes now use the platform for exclusive content and direct fan engagement. Musicians, comedians, chefs, and fitness instructors are building paid communities. This diversification reduces reliance on adult content and opens new markets. The goal: rebrand OnlyFans as the go-to platform for any creator with a loyal following. Success in these new arenas will shape the company's future and valuation. OnlyFans is betting big on becoming a universal creator platform. OnlyFans stands out for being completely debt-free. Unlike most tech giants, it's never borrowed money or taken outside investment. The company is entirely self-funded, giving owner Leonid Radvinsky full control. No investors, no lenders, just organic, cash-fueled growth. This independence allows for patient, strategic decision-making. Profits are reinvested as needed, with no pressure from Wall Street. OnlyFans' financial fortress is a major competitive advantage. Its stability and flexibility are the envy of the tech world. With its financial strength, OnlyFans is now exploring a possible sale. Owner Leonid Radvinsky may cash out, with an $8 billion price tag rumored. Such a sale would be one of tech's biggest, instantly making the buyer a creator economy giant. The Adult Content Association could deter some buyers, but private equity firms are interested. A new owner would face the challenge of managing the brand while sustaining growth. The outcome could reshape the platform's future and the entire creator economy. OnlyFans' next chapter may be decided in a high-stakes boardroom. What's next for OnlyFans? The company is at a crossroads. Its core business is booming, but diversification is key to future growth. If it can rebrand as a platform for all creators, exponential growth is possible. Partnerships in sports and other fields will be crucial indicators. The looming sale could bring new resources and direction or major changes. Millions of creators depend on the platform's stability. OnlyFans is debt-free, profitable, and reshaping digital content. Its future hinges on navigating diversification, reputation, and ownership changes. The story is far from over. OnlyFans remains a digital giant, watched by the world.